Today I'm going to show you how to make soap slime like this. Shampoo, using only shampoo, and here, soap slime. It does work. You just follow my instruction. Here, it's great. Do not stick your hand. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make it. First, you're going to need body wash. It works in any kind of body wash. Yeah. And shampoo, you can use any kind of shampoo, but I require Sensi's is the best. Okay, let's start making it. Now the tool you need like a container for mixing. Anything for mixing, even this cotton or these sticks. It works. Now I'm gonna pour my body wash. Mine is, I have made a long day and then it nearly all out of it. Yes. Make a funny sound. Yeah. Keep pouring. Faster. It's not run out of now. Okay. This much. It depends how slime do you want to make. Hold on, just make a little bit. Put the shampoo. This much. Yeah, and then keep stirring it. Mix it. The shampoo, I'm using Sensi's. If you are using Sensi's, it can use any color. But it's like this. It's not thick enough. Put more shampoo in it. Ouch. I'm gonna do like this. Sorry for the noise. This much. And mixing it. Yeah. And it's becoming thick. And then, yeah, you have a slime. But if you want you want your slime slow to be itself, become slime itself, you gotta wait like 2 days. Two days. But if you want like fast, like this one I just made today, right? You must put it in the refrigerator for, if you want the best result, put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and yeah, you got a slime. Here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more slime soap video and more video. Please comment down below and like this video. Bye. 2. Peace.